Now, for the folks out in the field, if they have to service this product, what are you doing with the end user in mind to make it easier for someone who maybe doesn't know a whole lot about LEDs to work on or replace?
Well, we try to offer modularity and simplicity in our product design. That goes throughout our whole product line. I mean, you could talk about each individual product line. Federal Signal were very popular for the nonlinear shaped bars, individual pods. Very easy to work on a pod. You don't disassemble the entire light bar. Perimeter lighting, the same thing. We want to offer that type of design where if you need to work or repair a fixture, it's easy to do so. I've often kind of joked about it in some other presentations where I've come to the conclusion that maybe your best maintenance tool is going to be a good dome cleaner.
There you go. Now, if someone does have a problem, what's the best method for them to resolve that with Federal Signal?
I am very proud of our customer service department. I know the individuals who work there. I know them by first name. Wonderful folks, willing to help, go that extra mile for you. That is your initial contact, customer service. They will do all they can to answer or to come to some type of resolution for a problem or issue you might have. If they cannot help, they will also bring in the service department. Service department will try to answer your question or resolve the issue. If that doesn't work, it would come to someone like me, product management, and I would pull together engineering and service and customer service, and we would come to a conclusion to help give you the results that you're looking for.
Now, any design issues or flaws that you have, how do y'all handle those?
Well, we originally, if it comes to the service group, many times it's presented to engineering. We have a corrective action list where we will actually list any problems that we think we have for a product line or something that customers experienced. And what it does, it gets reviewed by our quality review board in addition with the engineering till it comes to a complete resolution, and then they can cancel the project and say it was resolved and now it is no longer an issue.
Do you find that you run up against some of those in the initial design process, that you get to design out a lot of that before it ever gets to the end user?
We do a lot of testing at Federal Signal. Every distributor, customer that comes to Federal Signal, as they walk through our facility, we show them the anechoic chambers, the light labs, and all the different things that we have to do, the vibration testing, the moisture, humidity, and they're amazed. They always say, I never realized how much testing you put into it. So up front, we try to design out any problems. Of course, you get into the real world, there's situations that we don't always expect, but we're willing to react and try to correct that problem.
Well, fantastic. Well, my last question, and it's a really important one. If you were an LED, would you choose to have an internal or an external flasher, and why?
That's a funny question. Internal or external? Wow. I'm kind of an independent type of guy, so probably an internal flasher, because then I can choose my own flash rate. If I want to change, I'll just have someone change it for me.
There you go.
And I can be different from the other LEDs.
Exactly. Thanks so much for joining us today.
Thank you for having me here.